Look who I'm in the kitchen with today. This is my wife, Angelina.
Hi, Howard.
Hi, Angelina. Hello, world.
Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Ange, what was your favorite Valentine's Day with me? Because I love Valentine's. She thinks it's total. She doesn't give presents to the husband.
No.
She doesn't think the husband gets presents only. What's
Get
that all about?
showered. It's a thing. It's just how it is. I didn't make the rules.
Okay. So what's your favorite Valentine's Day memory with me?
Probably when we lived in Brooklyn and we went to that little restaurant. There were like 8 seats.
Oh, yeah.
That was a good
It was
place.
in the back of a pizza place.
Yes.
That place was good.
Yeah.
Mine is we went to Harlem and we did a pottery
Yes.
class, like
Yes.
Ghost, and I sat behind her and did that whole thing. It was really cute.
You tried, yeah.
But today, I'm gonna cook you dinner in under 15 so other people can kind of rock it out as a couple. We're gonna do this in under 15 minutes. This is my Valentine's lamb chops with pepen spuds. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's
So
go.
I'm gonna press play here.
That's how it goes.
And we're on the clock. So first things first is we're gonna heat this pan up really,
Okay.
really high. In the fridge, you wanna get the lamb chops.
Okay.
And in our family, I cook all the meat, right, Ange?
Yes, you do.
She hates cooking meat, but today
Just
we're
mainly
gonna
fish.
Yeah,
Is this it?
Yeah, that's it. Yep, bring it out. So you're gonna learn how to cook meat today, which is great. While
Okay.
she's doing that, I've got my kettle of hot water going into a pot, and both of us love Jacques Pepin. Not only are we fans, but we're buddies with him.
We are, yeah.
And he's gotten a little frisky with you sometimes. What happened with that?
No.
They get flirty when they're together.
Should I
Wait, hold
add
on. No,
some
not
in?
yet, not yet.
Okay.
She's obsessed with salt. You're obsessed with salt.
I am.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some potatoes.
Okay.
And these are Jacques Pepin potato recipe. He showed me this recipe. So these are just red potatoes. And we want them all to be pretty small. So just cut them like this. Cool?
Okay.
So you have your knife right there.
Okay, we're
Just
both
cut them
doing
really
it.
nice and small. And while you're cutting these potatoes nice
Yeah.
and small, I'm gonna grab a nice big pinch of salt. So Howard, follow me over here. It's almost a handful of salt. And into water. You really want this to be salty because I'm not seasoning these potatoes afterwards. This is your one chance to kind of get it into the spud.
Why don't you season them after?
You can. I guess you could, but
You're just
then you're
choosing
tasting
not
the
to.
salt, and I want the salt to kind of go into the potato. But that's a great question.
Great, okay, because you know I love to salt things as I eat.
She loves salt, but you know what she hates?
Lemon.
PDA. You hate
Oh.
PDA. Whenever I try and hold her hand or like kiss her in
No,
public,
that's not true.
she looks like she's mad at me. All right, that's enough potato, I think.
I probably am.
All right, yeah, that's probably true. All right, so red potatoes are in. Those are gonna take about 12 minutes to cook.
Okay.
The pan is heating, and yes, now you can use your salt. So
Okay.
salt up. These are lamb chops. You can buy them from the grocery store like this.
They're so cute.
Aren't they cute? Normally there's some skin on the bone, but these are called Frenched, where they actually get scraped off. So I'm
Oh,
gonna
okay.
pepper the other side. And then you don't have to do anything here except for lay the salt and pepper side down into the pan. So I'm gonna
Okay.
add some olive oil.
Okay.
And one trick I like, and this is on high,
Should I
is to
put one
start
in?
at 12 o'clock. So
Okay.
put the first one there.
Like that?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Perfect.
I'll just
and
keep
just go
going.
around the clock.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah, you got it. Beautiful. Crushing it. She's crushing it. You're cooking the meat for me today.
I know.
Now, lamb is kind of important in our relationship. When Ange got her job, we celebrated with lamb chops.
Yes, that was really, they were amazing.
I think it's one of those meats that you
We
want to
had
wash
lamb
your
at our
hands.
wedding.
We had lamb at our wedding. It's one of those meats that are not every day. Like, who's really gonna cook lamb on like a Tuesday? But for Valentine's Day, it's a really, really impressive, easy dish to rock out, and I love it. So, the key to this, Ange, is we want these really crispy.
Okay.
So we're not gonna move them.
Yeah.
Which one do we put in first?
The 12 o'clock one.
Yeah, baby. Crushing it. All right. Lamb's cooking, potatoes are cooking. Now we're gonna do something that's kind of interesting. We're gonna make a crust for the lamb. All
Okay.
right? So grab the mustard, and there's some herbs wrapped up in a little, these guys.
Oh,
These are-
here?
Yep, you got them. Oh, this is flour. I don't want flour.
No, you don't.
So I'm grabbing breadcrumbs. You're grabbing that. So underneath you in the drawer is a brush. Put the brush in the mustard.
You gotta open it.
No problem. This is very tip. If you have a problem
That's
opening a
the
jar.
best mustard too.
Oh, the
I
best.
Love that
We
mustard.
love Sir Kensington. You just kind of clank it.
Oh, I always go like that, and it opens.
Either one works. Either one works. All right, stick the brush in there. Right in there.
Okay.
Just stick it in there. Yeah. No. Just stick it
Okay.
All right, what is this?
Mint.
Exactly, so we're gonna take these off the stem. You wanna do that?
Yes.
And what is this?
Thyme.
It wasn't like putting it in your nostril. All right, so thyme. So I'm gonna strip the thyme, you're gonna strip the mint, and we're just gonna go with like, a big handful of herbs.
Okay.
And we're gonna kind of chop this all up. Fresh herbs and lamb. Oh my God, that's like
So
cream
good.
cheese bagel.
Reminds me of France.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we went to France a couple of years ago. I ate, this is no joke, like confirm this. I ate so many pastries one morning, I threw up on the subway.
He did. Yeah.
That's what happens
Good
when you marry
memory.
a chef.
Good memory.
It's what happens when you marry a chef. All right, so we've got our herbs. Right?
Okay.
That's perfect. Put those to the side.
Okay.
And then just kind of mix them all together.
Okay.
And then do you know how to chop?
Yeah.
Show me.
Like these? You want me to
just chop
these?
them really small.
Okay. So I would
Everything.
just like go like that, and I would just be like this.
That's good.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
So what I like to do,
Safety first.
do you think I'm bossy in the kitchen?
I just don't. No, you're not bossy. You're bossy.
Okay, so here's what I would like to do. I want this really fine, so I want you to put your hand here,
Okay.
knife here, and then just chop through. Now, one thing I'm gonna add to this that's crazy is, oh, this is rice.
That's rice.
Don't we have breadcrumbs? Tell me we have breadcrumbs. These are breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
So I've got some panko breadcrumbs. I'm just gonna add a little bit to that.
Okay.
And I want you to chop all that together the way I just showed you.
Like that?
Yeah, really pasty. Beautiful.
Really what?
Pasty, like I want to make it like a
Okay.
powder almost, like a green powder. All right, so while Angelina is doing that, I'm grabbing some capers, and I am grabbing a little bowl, and I'm literally just gonna add the capers into the bowl, juice and all. Again, this is a Jacques-inspired dish that he showed me, and I know that's such a Jacques-inspired dish, but what I love about what he does, and he's made cooking so approachable for so many, is he makes recipes that are so easy. So this is just olive oil and capers, lots of olive oil. Beautiful, let's see this. That's looking great. You want me to get in there?
Yeah.
So, just like this. You kind of want to crunch it up. And this is going to be a crust to our lamb. Isn't this crazy?
That is. Are you putting it in the pan? The hot
No,
pan?
well, no, actually.
You're gonna put it in there.
You'll see.
Okay. Can't wait.
Are you excited?
I'm really excited.
All right, so what I want you to do is flip the lamb. You can do it
Oh.
with some tongs.
Okay.
So the lamb's been going for about 3 minutes.
Starting with the 12 o'clock one?
Exactly, and look at that. Beautiful.
Oh, it smells so good.
Give him a good flip. Beautiful, Ange. You're making meat. You're cooking meat. They're like little lamb lollipops. Don't those look good?
Ooh, yeah.
Okay, so now, this is where I would call Ange into the kitchen. I'd say, sweetie, you want me to impress you? So come over here.
Okay, I'm
And
here.
this is what you would do. I would grab a little bit more of that thyme, throw it into the pan,
This one, this one?
just right in, all in. You don't have to
Okay.
peel it.
Should I?
Nope, just put it
Okay.
in, stems and all. I'm gonna grab some butter and I'm gonna grab some garlic. So put in
Okay.
like a good chunk of that butter. You can cut it with a knife.
Yeah, let me.
And I'm gonna put a couple of cloves of garlic. I got you.
Okay, here.
So this is where it gets really impressive. You're not gonna eat all this butter, but man.
Oh,
See, do you see how all of a sudden Ange is getting, she's loving it. She's getting in that beautiful Valentine's mood. So what I'm gonna have you do, Ange, is tip the pan. So all the butter and herbs come together.
okay.
Take that butter and dress
Got it. Okay.
the lamb.
Okay.
Cool? How good does it smell?
It smells amazing.
It smells so good.
This is so easy too.
It's easy, right?
Yeah.
And I think it's really impressive and again, a little bit different. You know, Valentine's Day, I definitely remember our first Valentine's Day.
That
I got
was-
her 9 presents. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I do. I remember.
Were you impressed?
I was so impressed.
And then ever
You took
since
it
then,
very-
it's like, Happy Valentine's Day, here's a card.
No,
Just
it's
kidding.
we go. You know, we have
We
fun.
try and do something. We try and make it real. We still try and do date nights,
Love date nights.
but Valentine's Day, again, is her holiday, not my holiday.
Right.
I'm not allowed to have a
You
present.
got a birthday.
And Father's Day now.
Yeah, and Father's Day.
All right, so we're just checking our potatoes.
Okay.
So I just take one out. How do you know if the potato's done?
I don't know.
Take your knife,
Okay.
poke it. Is it soft or hard?
It's soft. Yeah.
Do you think it's soft enough to eat? I think it's a little hard. So if you don't know, it means it needs a little bit more time.
Okay.
Cool? All right, so lamb is just finishing on the other end. So good.
That color is beautiful.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a towel out.
Okay.
I'll do this, I'll do the laundry, don't stress.
Okay.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the lamb onto the towel, okay? As to kind of take all the butter off of it.
Why?
Because you'll see.
Okay.
And then what I want you to do, so we'll kind of flip these, is I want you to paint them with the mustard.
Oh, got it. Okay.
So use the brush and paint the outside really good with mustard.
Like that?
Yep, both sides.
Got it.
See, this is fun to do as a little couple,
Yeah.
right? Do the other side. And then you're just gonna dip them in these herbs.
Oh my God.
And when they're done, and you really want to dip them
Wonderful.
good, look at this. You have this lollipop
Whoa.
of
And then
herby, lammy goodness. Doesn't that look good?
that looks.
So I'll let you do that.
Are we
Awesome.
putting it back in the pan?
No, but we are going to use a little bit of the butter, but the butter's done its job.
Okay.
Right? So you just want to line them up like little soldiers next to mine.
Okay.
Cool? You good?
I think so.
You're crushing it. All right, so while Ange is doing that, and Howard, you're picking up her doing that, it looks great. Check this out. I'm going to drain these potatoes, which is, again, just potatoes and salt. Cool. Bringing them right over while they're hot. And they're going right into the olive oil with the capers. Cool. I think our baby is up.
He is. He's
Well, guess
fine.
what?
He would love lamb.
Ange is right now teaching me to not go in there every single time I hear him cry, to be strong. Right, Ange?
Yeah. How's it going?
Not great. Not great. It's hard for me. All right, so we've got olive oil, potatoes, capers. We've got these beautiful lamb chops. I'm gonna grab a plate. And then Ange, you and I are gonna plate this up together. You did such a good job with those.
Thank you.
Those look insane. All right, again, laundry for this. So, I'm gonna just grab these. Those look awesome.
Thank you.
I'm gonna grab these potatoes and kind of just lay them onto the plate. Lay
Okay.
the capers. Don't get too crazy at them. Oh, Jonah. He's being the worst.
He can probably smell. He loves to be in the kitchen with Joel, with Dad.
Okay. Now lay the lamb
Okay.
all over it. You can
Okay.
kind of just
Like go like that.
rustically, yeah. Wherever they fall, they fall. Amazing. Maybe a little bit more of this breadcrumb mixture.
Yeah.
Right over the top. Look at this.
Gorgeous.
Rosemary lamb chops, pecan
For your
spuds,
Valentine's
and how much time
Day.
do we got? With, oh my God, there's 3 minutes and 13 seconds left. That took less than 12 minutes. Happy Valentine's Day from Ange and I to you. For more recipes like this, head to readyforseconds.com, or of course, check it out on Yumly. This one is gonna be good.
Yeah.